Flexibility is all about being able to do multiple things. In this lab, we have different types of machines that can do multiple things. So we have a mill that can do kind of milling operations on the part. We have a lathe that can do turning operations. We have a robot that can do all the movements for us. And we have a software that can do all of the supply chain work behind, managing inventory, raw materials, and things of that nature. It's good for prototyping with different materials. Then you can use like metal, you can use acrylic blocks, so you can use wax blocks, you can use brass cylinders on the lathe. So there's also a lot of flexibility in the materials that you can use. We want to open it up to more of the students here. The students have a lot of questions on like how does a robot move, and they have a wide variety of questions. Someone might be interested in looking at the supply chain of things, whereas someone else might be interested in looking at the machining part of things. So I get to explore a wide variety of topics in this domain with the students, so that's my favorite part. I think the classes are really aimed towards getting students up and ready for when they go out into the real world, because sometimes we might see in the classroom we don't have that practical experience, or you cannot visualize it. But this lab is really great for giving students a holistic experience of seeing what they learn applied in a real life setting.